Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete media cache files from your Adobe Premiere Pro. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we're going to need to do for this video is come to our preferences inside our Premiere Pro. Now at the moment I am working on a Windows device. On Mac it's a little bit different. To come to our preferences on Windows, what we need to do is come up here and click on Edit. And we're going to come down here to the bottom on Preferences. On Mac you need to click on Premiere Pro on your top bar, and then you'll find Preferences just a little bit lower in that menu as well. Once this is opened up, what we're going to be doing is looking for the media cache preference right here. If we click this open, we'll get a pop-up that will talk about our media cache file. Here we'll get some more information about our media cache, where it's stored. We'll have the option to save it as a .cfa and a .pek file. And then down here at the bottom, we also have a delete option. If we select this, here we will have one of two options. The first being delete unused media cache files, and the second being delete all media cache files. Now, sadly, if you've just opened Premiere Pro or if you have a project open, you cannot have this option available. It will be grayed out. To do this, what we're going to need to do is actually close down Premiere Pro. We're going to be opening it up again, but we're going to be opening up just the application without any project open. You see, once I have Premiere Pro open, even on Windows, we can see we have this window here to open up recent projects. However, we can close this and we can actually keep our new window open here, at least inside the latest version of Premiere Pro. What we can do is come back to our preferences again, edit preferences, and then we're going to be coming to media cache. And again, if you're on Mac, you need to click Premiere Pro on the top bar. Preferences, we're going to be coming back to media cache. Again, we will get this pop-up that we had before. And this time, if we click the delete option, we will see that both options are available to us. So in this case, I'm going to be deleting all media cache files from the system. Now, I would recommend doing this regularly, especially if you're editing a lot. Your files can easily add up on your drive, and it's really worth doing this, especially if you're working on a lot of different project files. So every couple of weeks to couple of months, depending on how often you do it and depending on the size of your drive. What we need to do is select delete all media cache files, click OK, and then it will start to clear the database cache of files. And just like that, you've removed your files. Now, one nice thing Premiere Pro has added in a recent update also is the media cache management. So if we come down here a little bit lower, we can actually set up to automatically delete media cache files. So by default, it's set up to me to do it every 90 days. However, you can also set this to do not delete media cache files automatically, or you can set it to automatically delete media cache files when it exceeds a certain gigabyte value. So here you can really customize depending on how much you need to do. However, one thing I would say is be careful with the media cache value size. Depending on the project you're working on, you might exceed this accidentally in a single project. So you need to be careful that you don't overdo it here. So it might be worth doing it automatically or just setting this to off so you can do it manually later. This might be the better option depending on how you're using Premiere Pro and depending on the type of projects you're working on. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to clear media cache in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.